What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is me, your girl Rizari, and I am back with another video. And today's video, it's a vlog video, and I think I'll throw this on my channel first. So I'll say this is my first vlog, and I'm going to get an editing computer in App Store. I've seen a computer that I like. It's not a computer, an iMac that I like. So we're going to see that, and hopefully we get it today. And yeah. Do you guys like my little hair? Like, look at this. My hair is coming a long way. See, this is growing a little bit. I like this. Alright, you guys, so I'm ready to get out of the house, and this is what I'm wearing. I just want to show what I'm wearing. Nothing really special, to be honest. I just wear whatever I could, pop it on and go get it, because this is so important to me. So this is it right here. This is nothing special. It's just a regular jeans and nothing special. So let's go. Let me grab my keys. Very exciting. Are you? Are you exciting?
Yeah, always.
Always?
Yeah.
I like that. Let's go. Let's go. You guys, as soon as I walked in the mall, this security guy is like, "Oh, you can vlog in here." I'm like, but I'm not putting people's face in my videos. Like, I just want to vlog me and in my own shape, but they still don't want to, you know, filming. I'm sure people take pictures in here and videos and whatever. Why not me? Like, it's so annoying. But yeah, I'm at the App Store and there's a lineup, you guys, so I have to wait. Let me just show you quick. This is what it looks like. We don't know how long it's gonna take because this is the line right here. It goes around and around. Like, this is the lineup. So you just have to wait pretty much. Hi, how you guys doing? This is the problem. This is the problem of living in the apartment. Like, you hear that? Somebody's putting, I don't know what they put in the wall, but it's loud and I can't even vlog my video. Really? So am I really gonna sit here until they're done putting in whatever they're putting in into the wall? I don't know what they put into the wall, but I don't know. I don't know if I want to sit here and wait until they're done. But yeah, this is killing me. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the iMac on right here. And please excuse what I'm wearing because I was just being comfortable in the house. I've just been home literally because I've been sick. So now that I got something to do, I was literally doing nothing. So now I finally have something to do. So let's go ahead and open this iMac. And I had to order this iMac. Pretty much the whole reason why I ordered this iMac is because I need to better editing software. And my iPad was not doing everything for me. So I had to order an iMac. It wasn't cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and place my camera here so you guys can see the opening. My house is not that clean either, so please excuse me. My apartment is messy, but it is what it is for now. This is so annoying. This is annoying. Jesus. Okay. It, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. This is my new baby. This is my iMac, you guys. I'm very excited because I can finally edit my videos and still have the best quality. Yes. This is it right here. This is the new iMac. I believe it's a 2021. My camera is was telling me I only have 5 more minutes and then it's gonna be done recording because I have so much videos in this memory card. So I think the memory card is full. So if there's some clips that you guys don't get to see, I'll record it with my phone and I'll just add it together when I'm editing. And yeah, that's how you guys will be able to see it. So let me open this because I'm so excited. There we go, there we go, there it is. Lord help me. Oh, I see. Oh, this is it. I think the iMac is upside down, you guys. It is. This is it's so thin. It's so cold too. It's very cold. This is it right here. So this is what's in a box, pretty much. So there's a keyboard and a charger, obviously, and a mouse in here. Ooh, this is a bit weird, you guys. This is ridiculous. All right, good morning, you guys. I'm taking you guys with me to get my teeth cleaned up. So I have an appointment. Usually if somebody wears braces, they're supposed to get their teeth proper cleaned, like special cleanup every 3 months. I do that, but I just have never vlogged it. So I called the lady who usually cleans my teeth and I said, is it okay if I vlog in? I can come in with the camera as long as your face is not in the picture. She said, yeah, of course. So we're going there today, you guys, and my black ass is late, right? I'm supposed to be there at 12:15. If you guys can see that, but right now it's 12:03, so it's not far from here. I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna hold a camera while my mouth is wide open. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but we're going to make it work, okay? Is it just me or black people in general are never on time? Like, I feel like it's just me, to be honest. All right, so this is it right here. This is it. That is her office right there. You guys see that big building right there? I don't know if you guys can see it clearly because the sun, but that building, she has an office in there, and that is where I usually get my teeth cleaned. So I'm literally right here. It's this building right in here. So let's go in there and see. The problem with here, however, the parking, you guys. Is it just me or everybody hates going somewhere and they cannot find a parking spot? That literally has me pissed to death. Like, the sun though, it's gorgeous out of here. Oh, this is the machine right here. And you pay here so your car does not get a big fat ass ticket. Oh no, damn it. You guys, I forgot mask. I need to wear a mask. Has anybody ever done that? Where you want to go in a store, you get to the door and you just see people wearing a mask and you remember, oh, it's supposed to be wearing a mask. I forgot mask. Because I don't see anybody around me wearing mask. But for me to get into the building, a mask is definitely required. So we need mask. Oh,
hi.
Hi.
Oh, that's not your car?
No, this is my car.
Is that your car?
No, my car is over there.
Someone parked in my spot.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
How are you?
I'm okay because I'm looking.
I'm not being filmed right now, am I?
No, you're not in the film. I promise.
Not yet. So
I-
where you parked?
Oh my god, I have to pay for the parking lot, the one that's behind here.
Oh, you paid there?
Yes.
Oh.
That's okay.
Come on, go like this.
I'm cold, so I don't think you'll be able to get a
There you go,
temperature.
35. Okay.
Alright guys, so I cannot hold my camera while she's cleaning, so I'm just gonna turn off the camera and not record at all, and then I'll get back once she's done. Alright guys, so I'm done my cleaning, okay? I leave right now, building right there, and I'm going home to get some food because I'm hungry. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to buy hair and do my own hair because, baby, you see this? You see that way this hair be looking? It does not look professional at all, and it's not pleasing to look at. So we're going to Beauty Supply and get some hair, and I'm going to be doing my own hair. I don't know what kind of hair I will be doing yet, but I'm feeling like a half down and half ponytail, and yeah, so let me just go ahead and cover this embarrassment that I got on my head going on here and whatever. And before I get out of the house, I just want to show you guys my outfit for today. Nothing crazy, just like this. This is what I'm wearing. Just got my bag, my scarf, and my, like, literally this is my pajamas, but whatever. And I got some boots on, and this is how they look. This is the boots. These are the boots. Okay, because outside it's pretty cold, so you gotta stay warm. It looks sunny, but I'm sure it's cold because this is Canada, okay? But yeah. Like, you all see the smoke coming out of my mouth? That is how cold it is out here, okay? I'm gonna place my camera right here, and I'm hoping you guys see what I'm doing or driving, if it's gonna stay like that. And I'm just gonna play some music, and yeah, I gotta stay in here for about at least a minute because I need my car to warm up. It's cold, okay? It's called the Snapchat. This is a song. I love this song. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair, and yes, my mom's calling me. She's like, come over, eat this good food and stuff. So I might be going to her house today. So yeah, right now let me just work on myself and play some music and do my hair, and period. Okay, all right baby, so let me go ahead and close this up, and yes, I'll see you guys on my next video.